प्रभु जी आपने कवर कर लिया था 69।
तो आपने 69 क्या बोला?
बहुत देर बाद कर रहे हो ना आप इसलिए।
हम्म,
70 70 होगा या 71 होगा, क्योंकि 69 आपने लिखा हुआ है।
70 प्रभु जी।
हम्म।
प्रभु जी 70।
चलो, no problem. Let us do some kirtan. We will see. It doesn't matter much. जयराधामाधो मा कुंज बिहारी गोपी जनवाल्लमा गिरिवरधारी यशोदानंदना व्रज जनरंजना यशोदानंदना व्रज जनरंजना यमुना तीरा वनचारी जयोदानमाधोमा कुंज बिहारी गोपी जनवल्लभा गिरिवरधारी यशोदानंदना व्रज जनरंजना यशोदानंदना व्रज जनरंजना यमुना तीरा वनचारी यमुना तीरा वनचारी जयोदानमाधोमा कुंज बिहारी जयोदानमाधोमा कुंज बिहारी ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
नारायणं नमस्कृत्य
नारायणं नमस्कृत्य
नरं चैव नरोत्तमं
नरं चैव नरोत्तमं
देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं
देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं
ततो जयमुदीरये
ततो जयमुदीरये।
नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु
नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु
नित्यं भागवत सेवया
नित्यं भागवत सेवया
भगवति उत्तमा श्लोके
भगवती उत्तमा श्लोके
भक्तिर्भवति नैष्टिकी।
भक्तिर्भवति नैष्टिकी।
हरे कृष्णा। So you feel it's 70, okay.
जी प्रभु जी यूट्यूब पे देखा 70 आप।
नाहं ममेति भावो अयम्
नाहमेति भावोऽयम्
पुरुषे व्यवाधीयते
पुरुषे व्यवधीयते
पुरुषे व्यवधीयते
पुरुषे व्यवधीयते
ममेति भावो अयम्
नाहमेति भावोऽयम्
नाहं ममेति भावो अयम्
नाहमेति भावोऽयम्
व्यवधीयते
पुरुषे व्यवधीयते
मद्बुद्धिमनो अक्षर्था
यावद्बुद्धिमनो अक्षा
यावद्बुद्धिमनो अक्षार्था
यावद्बुद्धिमनो अक्षार्था
व्यूहो हि अनादिनाम्
गुणाव्यूहो हि अनादिनाम्
व्यूहो हि अनादिमान्
गुणाव्यूहो हि अनादिमान्
नाहं ममेति भावो अयम्
नाहमेति भावोऽयम्
वधीयते
पुरुषे व्यवधीयते
बुद्धिमनो अक्षार्था
यावद्बुद्धिमनो अक्षार्था
व्यूहो हि अनादिनाम्
गुणाव्यूहो हि
नाहं
अनादिनाम्
ममेति भावो अयम्
नाहमेति भावोऽयम्
वधीयते
पुरुषे व्यवधीयते
बुद्धिमनो अक्षार्था
यावद्बुद्धिमनो अक्षार्था
व्यूहो हि अनादिनाम्
गुणाव्यूहो हि अनादिमान्
व्यूहो हि अनादिमान्
गुणाव्यूहो हि अनादिमान्
इति भावो अयम्
नाहमेति
पुरुषे
भावोऽयम्
व्यवधीयते मनो अक्षार्था
यावद्बुद्धिमनो
गुणाव्यूहो हि अनादिनाम्
गुणाव्यूहो हि अनादिमान्
व्यूहो हि अनादिमान्
गुणाव्यूहो हि अनादिमान्
नाहं ममेति भावोऽयम् पुरुषे व्यवधीयते यावद्बुद्धिमनो नाहं ममेति भावोऽयम् पुरुषे व्यवधीयते यावद्बुद्धिमनो नाहं ममेति भावोऽयम् पुरुषे व्यवधीयते यावद्बुद्धिमनो गुणाव्यूहो हि अनादिमान् नाहं ममेति भावोऽयम् पुरुषे व्यवधीयते यावद्बुद्धिमनो गुणाव्यूहो अनादिमान्
Na, not. Aham, I. Mama, mine. Iti, thus. Bhavaha, consciousness. I am this. Purushe, in the living entity. Vyavadhiyate is separated. Yavad, so long, buddhi, intelligence, manaha, mind, aksha, senses, artha, sense objects, guna, of the material quality, vyuhaha, a manifestation, he, certainly, anadimam, the subtle body, existing since time immemorial. As long as there exists a subtle material body composed of intelligence, mind, senses, and sense object, and the reactions of the material qualities, the consciousness of false identification and its relative objective, the gross body exists as well. As long as there exists the subtle material body, composed of intelligence, mind, senses, sense objects, and the reaction to the material qualities, the consciousness of false identification and relative objects, the gross body exists as well.
The gross body exists as well.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Purport by Divange, Sesi Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, Prabhupada ki jai. The desires in the subtle body of mind, intelligence and ego cannot be fulfilled without a gross body composed of the material elements earth, water, fire, air and ether. When the gross material body is not manifest, the living entity cannot factually act in the modes of material nature. In this verse, it is clearly explained that the subtle activities of the mind and intelligence continue due to the sufferings and enjoyments of the living entity's subtle body. The consciousness of material identification, such as I and mine, still continues because such consciousness has been extant from time immemorial. However, when one transfers to the spiritual world by the virtue of understanding Krishna consciousness, the actions and reactions of both gross and subtle bodies no longer bother the spirit soul. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
One more we do. Supti murchopatapeshu
Chopatapeshu
pranayana vighatataha
pranayana vigatataha
dehate iti jnanam
devate jnanam
suprajvaro yorapi.
suprajvarayorapi.
When the living entity is in deep sleep, when he faints, when he is in some great shock on account of severe loss at the time of death, or when the body temperature is very high, the movement of the life air is arrested. At that time, the living entity loses knowledge of identifying the body with the self.
Purport. Foolish people deny the existence of the soul, but it is a fact that when we sleep, we forget the identity of the material body, and when we awake, we forget the identity of the subtle body. In other words, while sleeping, we forget the activities of the gross body, and when active in the gross body, we forget the activities of sleeping. Actually, both states, sleeping and waking, are creations of the illusory energy. The living entity actually has no connection with either the activities of sleep or the activities of the so-called vacant state. When a person is in a deep sleep or when he has fainted, he forgets his gross body. Similarly, under chloroform or some other anesthetic, the living entity forgets his gross body and does not feel pain or pleasure during a surgical operation. Similarly, when a man is suddenly shocked by some great loss, he forgets his identification with the gross body. At the time of death, when the temperature of the body rises to 107 degrees, the living entity falls into a coma and is unable to identify his gross body. In such cases, the life air that moves within the body is choked up, and the living entity forgets his identification with the gross body. Because of our ignorance of the spiritual body, of which we have no experience, we do not know the activities of the spiritual body, and in ignorance, we jump from one false platform to another. We act sometimes in relationship to the gross body and sometimes in relation to the subtle body. If, by Krishna's grace, we act in our spiritual body, we can transcend both the gross and subtle bodies. In other words, we can gradually train ourselves to act in terms of the spiritual body. As stated in the Narada Pancharatra, Rishikena Rishikesha Sevanam Bhakti Ruchyate. Devotional service means engaging the spiritual body and spiritual senses in the service of the Lord. When we are engaged in such activities, the actions and reactions of the gross and subtle bodies cease. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine. Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisheshaya Shunyavadi Pashat Deshatarine. Jayo Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Supti Murcho Patapeshu
Patapeshu
Pranayana Vighatataha
Pranayana Vigatataha
Nehatayam iti jnanam
Jnanam
Mrityupajvarayorapi. But the living entity is in deep sleep when he faints, when he is in some great shock or an account of severe loss at the time of death, or when the body temperature is very high, the movement of the life air is arrested. At that time, the living entity loses knowledge of identifying the body with the self. Hare Krishna, audio is clear?
Yes, Prabhuji.
So right time 8:15, we should start the class 8:45. So people who can get a break, they can be back by 8:15 at least. Okay, now there's the gross body, subtle body. Just wanted to see the translation once more. Okay. So there's something which is logical reasoning. This we use in the various reasons we say we are not the body. One of the reasons we give is that everybody sleeps. We have an experience. And there are different stages of sleeping, and one of them is susupti. And at that stage, deep sleep, the person actually forgets his material existence. He forgets the body completely. This is built within the system. Therefore, they say that it gets some kind of a good rest. Actually, I feel person needs just 2 hours of sleep. Rest is just what the body needs. What are we doing in the day? Are we doing some work on the ground or anything? Hardly we do anything like that. So what rest you need? Actually, body needs only 2 hours of rest. The remaining is for the silly mind. The remaining desire for sleep is of the mind, not of the body. Bodies, that is how we can analyze. The Goswami slept for only 2 hours. Srila Prabhupada slept for only 2 hours. Bhaktivinoda Thakur slept for only 2 hours. Practically, the parampara is 2 hours sleeping. Yeah? So why? Because in the material body, because you have accepted a material body, you are a Mukta Purusha, but you have the minimum sleep you have to give, because they are busy with saving the conditioned soul going to hell. They kept 2 hours. Prabhupada said the Goswami sometimes not even that. And same thing was even for Srila Prabhupada. He will travel from India to America at 6 o'clock morning, he reaches 6 o'clock morning. Now that's called time lag or whatever, so many things people say. The disciples of Prabhupada, I didn't sleep yesterday night, I was traveling with you, I was chatting with each other. Now it's again morning 6 o'clock, so we will sleep, one day we'll take rest. Prabhupada, no, 6 o'clock, no? That's the time for my morning walk, let us go. Same activity according to the time every day. Not bothered. So sometimes you're not even that. Actually, we need more. So there have been a lot of studies why we need sleep and all. We need for this silly mind. It needs some rest. Just like the body needs rest, correct? The mind needs rest. But if the mind is peace and calm, pure, the sleep will reduce. But don't do artificially, don't vimukta maninaha, don't behave like a liberated person when you are not liberated. You will get sick, correct? You will get sick. Don't do that, you will get headache, so many things, because the mind needs rest. But if your mind is pure and always thinking of the lotus feet of Krishna, then your sleep will reduce. Therefore, eating, sleeping, mating, defending is brought to nil by a devotee. The devotee eating, he eats very little, like Raghunath Das Goswami. Anna? No tummy for a devotee. Reduced. Because tummy means we are eating more than what we need. So we can always introspect and work. How do you... अरे रे रे प्लीज देखो अभी चिल्लाने लग गए चिल्लाओ नहीं मेरी सच बोल रहा हूँ अरे एडमिन प्लीज टेक केयर why you are doing this why you are disturbing the whole class See, they are there in the class, naam ka vaste. So many people at that time doing so many other activity. Therefore, japa time we are saying, switch on the video, that time so much drama. As if they're, so much they become shy. जब किसी फंक्शन में जाते हैं, 3 घंटा डेकोरेशन करते हैं. और सब आभूषण पहन के जाते हैं उसमें बुर्खा नहीं पहनते पर्दा नहीं लगाते सबको दिखाना चाहते हैं और इधर बड़ा वो दिख जाता है बड़ा इधर मेनली ऑफ करने में क्या होता है आदमी पकड़ा नहीं जाता पता नहीं क्या कर रहा है दैट इज वन ऑफ द रीजन दे कैन समझ ठीक है सो वेयर वी वर स्लीप विमुक्त सो डोंट थिंक यू आर लिबरेटेड So act where you are, peacefully sleep 6-7 hours. But more sleep doesn't signify spiritual advancement. That's true. Just like eating more, ati ahara, it is not a sign of spiritual advancement. Prabhupada said, my devotees are falling down because they are eating more than, in the name of prasada, just because it is prasada, we should not eat more. We should, in the beginning stages when somebody comes a neophyte, we encourage him, khao, 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 khao. वो होता है नहीं हम लोग शुरू के बट वन दे बिकम लिटिल मोर वी से ईट एट पर टाइम एंड ईट मिनिमम व्हाट योर बॉडी नीड्स इफ यू आर डेवलपिंग फैट मीन्स यू आर ईटिंग मोर इन फैक्ट नोबडी एवरीबडी लुक्स अगली भद्दा दिखता है व्हेन ही बिकम्स फैट ट्रू और नॉट यू योरसेल्फ सी पीपल हु आर थिन दे लुक ब्यूटिफुल इवन एट एडवांस्ड एज पीपल लुक यंग ऑल्सो And you can just think about yourself, analysis. Nobody looks attractive when he's fat. And Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada used to get irritated with fat disciples. So we should introspect and we should take care. Particularly the problem with the people who are advanced in age, the physical activity is reduced because body doesn't have much energy. We cannot run now. We cannot do much, and even due to the age and so-called respect in whatever community you are in, people don't make you do hard works. That's more difficult at that age, more we should be careful. Many devotees have different systems, some people eat just once in a day, some people, whatever way it suits you, that's a different issue. Prabhupada is not vehement about eating once and all, even though he advised it will keep you healthy. But focus is, don't develop charbi, that's not good. ठीक है Eating more means sleeping more. Then 6 घंटा नहीं, फिर 9 घंटा चाहिए, 10 घंटा चाहिए, 12 घंटा चाहिए. You'll never be satisfied. Eat less, because hardly any activities you do, particularly most of us are advanced in age, because hardly we are doing activity, so eat less and let us see, it will produce some effect. At least one thing we can follow, ati ahara. Other things are not so easy to follow. At least we can work one small place, reduce eating, so that Prabhupada used to say, by eating less you will not die. You will die by eating more. Correct? Common sense. You'll get diseases by eating more. Blood pressure, hypertension. Even, the heart mein chota sa dil hai, he has to pump so much because he has to feed now 100 crore cells, or 200 crore cells. Hai na? So, bitna better hai. So now, the first thing was that this is very logical. Coming back to the shloka, this is very logical that in the sleep time, who am I? We think we are the body, but in the sleep time, you are in subtle body. You're not in the gross body. All of us have experienced every day because of swapna. There is, when you are lying down on the bed, there are susupti and swapna. And if you eat late, Shri Shri Radha Govinda ki jai. If you eat late, there is a problem, lot of swapna occurs. Anybody can test that. You eat a lot in the late night, and you sleep, you do not get good sleep. What is good sleep you don't get? You have a lot of swapna. If the mind is still busy with swapnas, where is the rest for the mind? So therefore, even though person gets up in the morning, he is not fresh. We need good susupti for some time, 2 hours. And we are actually, body needs 2 hours rest, mind is also got 2 hours, you are fresh. Therefore, it has been analyzed that people eat, it is part of the Vedic culture generally, but true, all these things Srila Prabhupada has not. Srila Prabhupada has focused that we attentively chant the holy name of the Lord. Okay? You don't say too much time, but many times Srila Prabhupada said, don't eat in the night. Don't eat in the night. There are many shlokas, even when a small child, even a Sanskrit shloka was there, don't eat in the night. So this is common knowledge. We avoid eating in the night. Why? It will give you a lot of dreams in the night. And you have too much dreams, your mind doesn't get rest because it was active. Your mind needs some rest. That's why you're sleeping. You're sleeping to give rest to your mind and rest to your body. Correct? That's it. So now when we are sleeping, giving rest to the body and the mind, and at that time, and then you definitely have some swapna. Okay? There are scientists of various analysis, they are doing that only, dream world. So they see swapna was for these many minutes, they say whatever. So at that time, you are not identifying with the body, you identify with the new existence. You remember sometimes your childhood. The exams, the college or horror, उसके बहुत सपने आते हैं. जो बहुत इम्पैक्टिंग होता था ना, वो बहुत खतरनाक आते हैं सपने, है ना. पढ़ा नहीं है, एग्ज़ाम आ गया, एग्ज़ाम हॉल में बैठे हैं, वो जो डीप इम्प्रेशन अभी तक है, वो सपने आते हैं, उठते हैं, एग्ज़ाम है, कौन सा एग्ज़ाम? वो तो छुट्टे, उससे तो मुक्ति हो गया. As I told a joke previously, when I wrote my final exam at my college, and I had a firm determination, इसके बाद मैं नहीं पढ़ने वाला. I wrote full mantra, Mahamantra in my answer at the end. Hare Krishna. अब नहीं. Such a torture it is. So whatever way, I'm not saying that is ideal. It's not a good student who should behave like that. But it was such a thing that even to this day, now I have not studied for how much? For 33 years, correct? We do some studies, Bhakti Shastri and all, but गले में तलवार नहीं होती. वो तो पूरा सेमेस्टर रिपीट करना पड़ता है. एग्जाम गया तो घर में बेइज्जती दूसरी, दोस्तों में बेइज्जती दूसरी, और पढ़ा है नहीं, और एग्जाम सेम पाप, इसको पॉज कैसे करेंगे? सच अ हॉरर इट इज, है ना. अभी तक वो एक्सपीरियंस याद आता है. एग्जाम हॉल में बैठे हैं, कोई सेम चीज रिपीट करता था. इंप्रेशन इज देयर इन द माइंड, इंप्रेशन कम्स एंड यू गेट अरे what exam. So you will also have similar thing with any deep impression of the mind which will keep coming back again. So we can know at that time you forget your existence in this. You forget your reality at all. It's true. Dream time, you completely forget your gross reality. That means you're not this body. Very good. And in the daytime, if so much you're identifying with the body, in the daytime you're in another existence. You forget that. So what am I? I'm neither the gross body nor the subtle body, because उसमें ये भूल जाता है, इसमें वो भूल जाता है. I'm the spiritual body. So therefore the model is, you got this point? In the daytime, I forget the dream body, and the dream time, I forget the gross body. That means I am neither of them. It's a very simple logic. Deino svani yatha dehe, proper Krishna continues with this. You had a childhood body, you had a youth, you have an old body, you are identifying with the different bodies. You're not the body. An extension of his hair, you are identifying with the gross body, in the night with the subtle body. You are none of them possible. And very logical, reasonable. It's not that it's unreasonable too, but to identify this, to see this, you need good association and you want to do devotional service. But it's reasonable and we can appreciate it. We can appreciate. Now the second thing which we can today talk about, so we spent 15 minutes talking at 15 minutes, one more topic, is that it says, Sarvopadi vinirmuktam tat paratvena nirmalam rishikena rishikesha sevana bhakti uttamam. So why is it for bhakti we need Sarvopadi vinirmuktam? We can take some instances. Like in the Mahabharata war, Arjuna did not want to kill his family man because he was identifying with the body. Unless you are free from identification of the body, you will not do devotional service. You will not do devotional service. He was, "Arey, my family man," to unhi ki seva karo na fir. Wahi karna chahta tha wo. How he cannot hurt my family man? My teacher really hurt, my grandfather really hurt. Swajanam him katha Krishna. Yes, what is the shloka?
Srunata katha Krishna Purna Sravana Kirtanam.
No, not Shanavatam. Swajanam him katam Krishna. Swajanam. Today people are busy with the Liberation Day. We liberated from the body. What liberation we got? We are full in Maya. We were in Maya, we remained in Maya. And Independence Day, become independent of Maya. So, but people are busy, I think, in their apartments and all, they are raising flags today, hai na? Sare jahan se acha. Okay, nobody today? Swajanam, locate the shloka. Swajanam katha Krishna. Arjuna says the shloka to Krishna. Yep, Mataji chant.
Drishvemam svajanam Krishna yutsam samupastitam sidanti mama gatrani mukam cha parishusyati.
So because he's identifying with the body, look at him, what is happening to him. He's saying, Swajana, these are my relatives. See, even the gatrani, throat is choking up. That's what all material emotions. He's the pure devotee of Krishna, dear devotee, but he's showing our example. His throat is choking up, tears are coming from the eyes, body is shaking, whole body is burning, Gandiva is slipping from the hand. Why? Bodily identification. Correct? Bodily identification, not spiritual. Bodily identification is suffering in this way. So, because he is having bodily identification, he is not Sarvopadi Vinirmuktam. He is having all upadis. And because of that, he doesn't want to serve Krishna. He is saying, Krishna, I don't want to do service to you. I'll do service to my own body because I am the body. See, whatever you are, you will do service accordingly. There is a shloka that I will Buddha Bhava Samanvitaha. What is the shloka? Aham Sarvasya Prabhavo. Yes, anybody knows?
Aham sarvasya prabhavo iti vatva bhajante maam buddha bhava samanvitaha.
Beautiful.
Hare
Take
Krishna.
it. Aham Sarvasya. It should come to the platform that जितने हमारे क्लास में लोग हैं सारे श्लोक कंठस्थ कोरस में होगा, कोरस में अहम सर्वस्य प्रभवो, मतलब कोरस होना चाहिए, सब लोग इकट्ठे रेडी हैं, ठीक है. बट ओनली क्या है कि अभी 5G है, टिल इट गोज टू 6G, दैट गैप विल रिमेन. 6G में गैप निकल जाएगा, है ना. अभी थोड़ा 4G में था, 5G में भी थॉट इट इज रिड्यूस्ड, बट थोड़ा गैप है. व्हेन यू स्पीक, अनदर पर्सन स्पीक्स, इट डजंट गो कोरस. But I think 6G, 7G in our life, the chorus will start. And then we can have online kirtan also. Abhi kya hota hai? We do kirtan in the Mangal Aarti, we tried one day. But wo match hi nahi hota, you know. So, okay. So, sarvopadi, unless the upadhis are removed, how you can do devotion service? Therefore, Krishna says, aham sarvasya prabhavo. When you understand you are part and parcel of me, means you are free from identification in the body. Aham sarvasya matta sarvam iti matva bhajante maam. If you understand this fact, that actually you are not this body, you are an Atma, part and parcel of me, Buddha Bhava Samanvita, with great devotion you will start service to me. So because we lack spiritual identification, Because we have upadhis, I am the body, I am male, I am female. आज है ना लगे हैं 26 जनवरी झंडा खींचने में, I am Indian. That's also upadhi. Sarvopadi vinirmuktam vasudhaiva kutumbakam. Therefore, Vedic philosophy was vasudhaiva kutumbakam. How can you do both at the same time? Therefore, Vedic philosophy doesn't have words like patriotism. It doesn't have. How do you say vasudhaiva kutumbakam? Our leaders, political leaders say vasudhaiva kutumbakam. At the same time, say सारे जहाँ से अच्छा, सभी अच्छा है ना, तुम्हारा ही क्यों अच्छा है? दूसरा देश भी अच्छा है, सब जगह अच्छा है, नहीं हम ही लोग अच्छा है. और तुम at the same time say vasudhaiva, it's a contradictory. They can't speak properly. So we have to be free. So therefore Arjuna, till he identified himself as the body, as a Kshatriya, Krishna said there was sarvadharman parityaja. Which dharmas? Coming out of material body. Not real spirit dharma. Parodharma was not rejected. The Kaitava dharmas originate from the identification with some upadhi in this world. When Arjuna is fighting with, say, Bhishma, he said, how can I throw arrows now to Krishna? Krishna said, throw. So he said, keep aside Kshatriya dharma, I'll fight. Where Kshatriya dharma is coming? Based on your guna karma, body only. So you keep aside. So where the devotion service will begin till the identification continues. So purified senses can only serve Krishna. Purified from what? From upadhi. When our mind is freed from upadhi, then only we can do devotion service to Krishna. There is any other example you can tell me where somebody had to give up identification with his so-called body and then he did devotion service? Any other example? I give you example of Arjuna.
Bharat Maharaj.
Which way?
He left the whole kingdom as if somebody looks at the stool, and then he left for the devotional service.
Very good, very good. Just see.
And Ajamila Prabhuji, when he...
Wait a minute. Usko to digest karne do. So Bharat Maharaj, if he identifies, I am the king, this is my wife, these are my children, why will he leave that? Because that is his identification. He said, no, I am a servant of Krishna. This identification is illusion. I want to be away from illusion so that I can focus in my service to Krishna. Perfect example. So Vairagya is actually natural for somebody who has come to real identification. Vairagya from what? Vairagya from illusion. Okay, yes? Any other person? Any other?
Parikshit Maharaj. Parikshit Maharaj.
Parikshit Maharaj. Wait. All the heroes will come one by one, but on this context today. What did Parikshit Maharaj do?
परीक्षित महाराज को जब पता चला 7 दिन में उनकी मृत्यु होने वाली है, पर उन्होंने सेंस ग्रेटिफिकेशन नहीं किया और उन्होंने कृष्णा की कथा सुनने में रुचि बताई. हरे कृष्ण.
ठीक है. या he did not. जन्मजय आज का डेली का न्यूज बता दो ना तो 5 मिनट. आज क्या न्यूज क्या हुआ भाई मेरे राज्य में? उसका ठीक किया ना, उसको 2 लात मारी ना, बहुत तंग कर रहा था वो. No, he totally disidentified himself with the kingdom, with the body. He was just how you can enjoy hearing Krishna katha without that. चलो, any other example you have?
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी युधिष्ठिर महाराज को जब पता चला कृष्ण भगवान अभी नहीं है, तो उन्होंने प्राण वायु अपन वायु को एकत्रित करके पूरा.
ठीक है. ओके. नहीं है ऐसा नहीं.
करके चला.
कृष्णा इस दुनिया में अभी वैकुंठ धाम चले गए है ना. कृष्णा है बट अभी इधर नहीं. उनका लीला अप्रकट. प्रकट मतलब अभी हमको दृश्य में नहीं आता. सो कृष्ण का लीला प्रकट नहीं हो रहा. सो therefore very good. So Yudhishthira Maharaj disidentified. Yes, any other example?
परशुराम जी. प्रभु जी परशुराम जी.
क्या किया?
परशुराम जी.
अरे किया क्या?
वो ब्राह्मण थे बट उन्होंने फिर क्षत्रिय धर्म का पालन किया. परशु से उन्होंने क्षत्रिय राजा जो अधर्मी थे उनको मारा.
Yes. So he didn't identify with the identification that I am the body and I am a Brahmana. He did what was needed as service at that time to eliminate this Kartavirya Arjuna. He was very, very powerful king. Okay, yes.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Any other?
Gautam Buddha actually, he was a priest, left everything. He realized the...
So there is, okay, fantastic. Gautam Buddha also. Now, there is one, sometimes this identification is needed to be instilled. Now we say we are devotees. So we should be able, devotee means only one identification. I am a servant of Krishna. And the Bhagavatam takes example of Dhruva Maharaj. When Dhruva Maharaj was killing the yakshas, man, kat, karodon mein maar raha tha. So at that time, some people came to remind him, Dhruva, please stop. Remember, you are a devotee. Don't identify too much with this material body. Because the Kshatriya was doing his duty. Galat nahi hai. He had to punish means maar raha tha. But then they said, एक के लिए तू करोड़ों को मारेगा क्या? किसी एक के क्या? Face करो, identify करो, उसको मार दो, है ना? But why you have to kill everybody for that? ये क्या मतलब? पूरा ही कौम खत्म कर देंगे, ऐसा क्या? So identify the culprit and punish him. Yaksha, who killed his brother, you identify, but why you are killing all the yakshas together? And remember, you are a devotee. Your business is service to Krishna. Too much don't get involved. So therefore, we have two parts of our personality. One is we have some swadharma in this world based on what is the shloka when you give up swadharma?
त्यक्त्वा स्वधर्मं
yes.
स्वधर्मं करुणाम्बुजं हरे भजन् अपक्वोऽथपते ततो यदि यत्र क्वा भद्रभूतमुष्य किं को वार्थ आप्तो भजताम् अभजताम् स्वधर्मतः.
So we have two kind of dharmas. One is actually dharma on the soul, that activity of devotion service. Other thing is swadharma given in this world. So this also is dharma. Our duty is connected to the body. Duty is connected to the soul. Now the duty is connected to the body and mind, therefore guna karma, it says. Guna is more in the mind, karma is on the body. So based on the psychophysical situation we are in, we have some duties assigned in the society. And then there is something which are assigned according to our original identification of the soul. So Prabhupada says a person tries as far as possible that these two don't conflict. He tries his best. Because once in the society which is not realized, we are not living in a self-realized society. Just like previously, when Bharat Maharaj is going to take sannyas and all, people understand, appreciate. ठीक है ना? ऐसा नहीं है कि there is a fight in the family, there is a fight in the society. No, they understand what has happened. Even Anga, he left when he saw Vena was so cruel, he just left the kingdom for spiritual life. We do see, what do we see? We do see actually that people previously, there was appreciation of the society, so you could do. But today it's total society is totally on the bodily consciousness. Krishna consciousness is not even understood, forget about being followed. You can follow something when you understand something, correct? So society, in that such a kind of a society, we have to be very careful when we make moves, because society will go against. ISKCON may even lose the registration. Even courts, public, everything is together, we are the body. Now how do you do spiritual activities? You have to be very careful, you are dealing with the dangerous material world. We're living in the material world, you are offering things for the service to Krishna, but for people this is very strange. There is a bill now being brought about of various state governments against superstition. Tomorrow even chanting Hare Krishna can be banned. Or activities we do. You see, government doesn't even want to give you even tax exemption for any donation to the temple. Religious activity, there is no tax exemption. They don't want to encourage. Previously, the government used to personally build temples. और इधर ये है कि तुमको छोड़ेंगे नहीं, इधर टैक्स तो दो, उधर दिया ठीक है चलता है, टैक्स तो देना पड़ेगा तुमको. They will not spare you. They are very much, government are encouraging. You go to a college, now some ISKCON temples have developed the technique, anything can be used. If you go to the college and say you want to make your student chant Hare Krishna, understand Bhagavad Gita, they will not give you permission. Now I want to do Nasha Mukta. Yeah, you can try that. आजकल बहुत popular चल रहा है ना? Nasha Mukta, हाँ, तो बहुत अच्छा. I just saw that Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, I have shared in the Radha Govinda group, He gave a big statement. Very nice, they are doing a very good. And in that line he says some Bhagavad Gita here, there, but if you deeply scratch his body, he doesn't know what his body is also. Mota mota bahar se. They are holding to so-called Kavitava dharmas only, with no understanding of spiritual life. So this is true. So in identification with the body only society is living, and you are identifying with the soul now, but you are living still in the body, no? You are living still in the world, you have to be careful. They can arrest you, because government can do anything, crazy. And in Russia and so China, if you go and you say, and it happened in Australia, when devotees in the beginning went for Harinam Sankirtan, they were arrested. हम किया क्या भाई, arrest किस लिए कर दिया? But no, why you are doing this? Waste of time, disturbing people. That's happened. Even in China today, you go on the streets of so many Muslim countries, you go and do Nam, they will arrest you. You are doing activity based on the soul, but you are in a body, living among crazy people. They say among crazy people, sach bole mare lattha, andher langdi chaupat raja. So we are living in a difficult position. Therefore, we have to be we have to be careful how we are going to deal. Okay. Now, within the body and the soul, therefore, first thing within our heart we should declare which is primary. We should be convinced. Because bhakti is ahetuki. We can play around with all the rules. Bhakti is ahetuki. It cannot be stopped. It cannot be stopped. Just I have an example. I know so many people, they went to Saudi Arabia. And in that country, you cannot even take a japa beat. छोड़ दो. Gita भी allowed नहीं. करो. बैठ के जप करो. किसको पता चलता है? अरे क्लिकर ले जाओ. जपा करो. क्या किसको पता चलता है? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Japa has 3 stages. Some people do japa very loudly. But then you have to be careful. Other people also have to hear your japa. So proper time, such people are still to go outside the temple also. Others can chant. So and then next japa is you chant, but only next person can hear. But third person cannot hear. That is the ideal, we do it in the temple. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Hare. That is one. And there is japa also in the mind, because some readings say that Haridas Thakur did all the 3, 64, 64, 64, loudly, then softly, then in the mind. But mind, you only sometimes when you're very sick, we are very sick, you are in hospital and you are in a situation you cannot chant. Sometimes you are traveling. But ऐसे बैठे हैं, you cannot even chant. Other people they get disturbed. So we have to be sometimes. But it is good always, if it is possible, but we should be reasonable, that other person also has to chant his japa. सबको अपना जप करना है. अपनी आवाज तो गधे को भी बहुत अच्छी लगती है. सब गधे भी सोचता है मैं तो बिल्कुल एक क्या है नाम बताओगे बड़े सिंगर का? हाँ, मैं लता मंगेशकर है. गधा को तो बहुत अच्छा आनंद आता. बाकी लोग हरे राम. तो हम कलयुग में सब गधे ही हैं, किसी का भी ट्रेनिंग नहीं है. बट सबको लगता है अरे मेरा आवाज, मैं तो हमेशा वॉल्यूम कम कर देता हूँ. बिकॉज इट्स इरिटेटिंग. वॉल्यूम शुड बी सॉफ्ट, इट इज प्लीजिंग. ज़्यादा आवाज करके अच्छा नहीं लगता, डिस्टर्ब होता है. सॉफ्ट इज ऑलवेज गुड, प्लीजिंग. भजताम प्रीतिपूर्वकम. भगवान को, आपको भगवान जोर से थोड़ी चिल्लाओगे हरे कृष्ण, किसी के सिर में चिल्ला क्यों नहीं भाई? मेरे को आई टोल्ड यू दैट एग्जांपल व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू चैंट इन द बिगिनिंग में ऐसे जब करता था, तो किसी ने मेरे को बोला पत्थर क्यों फेंक रहा है भाई? थोड़ा प्रीतिपूर्वक हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण, बड़ा दिल में खुशी होता है ना. कृष्णा कृष्णा, कृष्णा को भी लगता है यार कितने प्रेम से बोल रहा है. वो डेसिबल का ना मोबाइल में तो आ जाता है आजकल, डेसिबल बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो कृष्णा को भी लगता है ये डेसिबल थोड़ा ज़्यादा आ रहा है. थोड़ा प्रीति, थोड़ा उनको आपस में बात करना है ना, बीच में कुछ सुना ही नहीं देता. इवन बुक काउंटर में कुछ बिकता नहीं है, हम लोग ऊपर क्लास नहीं ले सकते, पूरा डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है एटमॉस्फेयर. सो ऑलवेज फॉरगेट अबाउट अदर पीपल टू डिस्टर्ब. ऑलवेज फॉर कृष्णा यू आर डूइंग ऑलवेज प्रीति, सॉफ्ट एंड स्वीट. Japa bhi soft and sweet. Kirtan also soft and sweet. That is pleasing to Krishna. So anyway, so coming to back to the track, so we have to therefore balance out very carefully. Okay. So sarvapadi vinirmuktam tat paratvena nirvalam. Let us do all the 4 lines. First line meditated. Upadi, you have to come out. But you have to be careful, you are dealing in the material world. Therefore, we don't create utpat in this world. Therefore, under guidance, we do devotion service. Just because you have understood bhakti, it doesn't mean we have to be guided so that we don't create utpad in the society. है ना? उत्पाद इति कल्पते, इस तरह से उत्पाद हो जाता है सोसाइटी में. होल सोसाइटी विल बिकम नेगेटिव टू ISKCON if you do things in a strange way. है ना? What do you say? They will become Shruti Smriti Puranadi. Yes, what is it?
Shruti Smriti Puranadi Pancharatri Vidhi Vina
Ekantiki.
Ekantiki Harer Bhaktir Utpadaiva Chakalpate. Hare Krishna.
Prabhupada quote the shloka so many times. Shruti Smriti. And the Shastra, Smritis, Manu Smriti, sometimes Bhagavad Gita is also put in the Smriti. Puranas, so many Puranas we have. Adi. Shruti Smriti Puranadi Pancharatrikir Vidhimbina. Pancharatra, Narada Pancharatra, Shri Pancharatra. Ekantiki, you do devotion service. I like to do what I want to do. Just like it used to be in college, some students used to hear something थोड़ा फर्स्ट ईयर में हम तो कीर्तन करते थे वीकेंड में और घर जाते थे फिर छुट्टी में और सोफे में बैठ जाएंगे गोविंदा कृष्णा पूरा उत्पाद हो जाता है घर में. लोग गुस्से से भागो क्या हो गया हमारे बेटे को, हम तो पढ़ने को भेजा था. गोविंदा गोविंदा अरे उत्पाद नहीं करो प्लीज, पूरा डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है. वी हैव टू उत्पाद केयरफुली, वी हैव टू प्रैक्टिस डिवोशन सर्विस इन दिस वर्ल्ड. उत्पादित कल्पते पंचरात्रि की एकांतिकी whimsically doing devotion service. No, we are in the ISKCON movement now. We are guided by Srila Prabhupada, they are guided by Vaishnavas. We do devotion service. We don't create utpad. It will only cause disturbance. Okay. So now we are developing this fact. Sarvopadi vinirmuktatar rishikena rishikesha. So bhakti is not in the mind. Bhakti means the senses engage in devotional service. And based on the gunas, we can have, even in the temple, even in ISKCON society, full-time devotees, based on the gunas, the engagement is good. Based on the gunas. You know? Suppose somebody wants to, an intellectual, somebody created a sannyasi system in proper time, 5 hours, everybody should read. Yes, no, proper said no, don't do that, don't do that. Because everybody, that is not possible. Today somebody says somebody is very Brahminical, he'll read whole day. Somebody is not, he cannot read. You may be Brahminical when you joined the movement, but now you are so much attracted to the glare of material, you cannot sit and read now because you lost your peace of mind. How can only Sattvic person will read? Rasic person cannot keep the book in front, uska man idhar-udhar rahega. Tamsik to soya rahega, usko khali chhod do so jata hai. So how it is possible? So but he has agreed to follow the rules and regulations, he has agreed to chant 16 rounds, he is there in the movement. But he cannot say just because there in the movement he is Brahminical. No. The Prabhupada said everybody should not be given Brahmin Diksha unless he proves to a Brahminical nature. है ना? अभी तो क्या पुजारी चाहिए ब्राह्मण दीक्षा कर दो करते है ना, ऐसे ही होता है. बट रियलिटी ऐसा नहीं है. रियलिटी इज नॉट सात्विक. देन अंदर जाके उत्पादित कल्पते, लड़ेगा लोगों से पुजारी आपस में डिशुम भगवान के सामने. ये कहाँ से आ गया इधर, ये तो रासिक तामसिक आदमी है ना. सो वैश्य क्षत्रिय also had diksha in the Vedic time, but वैश्य क्षत्रिय they want money, they want power, they want position. So they cannot have Brahminical engagement. So they were not given Brahminical. So we give another engagements to the people. But somehow he has to be engaged because very important, bhakti means rishikena rishikesa sevanam. Bhakti means to engage the senses in the service to Krishna. That is bhakti. See, Prabhupada said, no, bhakti I translate as devotional service. Why? Rishikena rishikesa sevanam. That is bhakti. Bhakti is not in the heart. है ना, ये दिल में है नहीं, दिल में तो बहुत कुछ है. Somebody, you know, many time we tell people आप जब करिए ना, नहीं वही कंटिन्यूसली चल रहा है. अरे आप बड़े एडवांस्ड है यार, हमारा तो कुछ और चलता रहता है. तुम लोग का तो हरि नाम चलता रहता है. हाँ, मन में पूरा दिन, मैं बैठ के जब नहीं कर सकता, पूरा दिन चलता रहता है, मन में वही चलता रहता है. एंड यू सी दैट इज नॉट ट्रू. इज नॉट इन कामा क्रोधा सो मेनी एक्टिविटीज. क्या चल रहा है? भगवान चल रहा है तो वो व्हाई दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स आर देयर. So let us be genuine and accept the situation So Rishikena Rishikesa Sevanam. So in any situation you are there, you are in family, you are in house, you are in office, any manager will see which kind of activity should I give him engagement. Correct? Based on what he will do best. There is finance department, there is HR department, and there is so many department, intellectual department. He will put you on one of the departments, seeing that which you can do best. So, but one thing is true, always engagement. Always engagement. Because for us, that is the only way. When the hand is engaged in cleaning, therefore the example of Ambarish Maharaj, yes. What is the example of Ambarish Maharaj? Savai Manah.
मनः कृष्ण पदारविंदयो वचांश वैकुंठ गुणान वर्णने करो हरेर्मंदिर मर्जनादेश श्रुतिम चकार अच्युत सत्कतोदय
Mukunda.
गालय दर्शन दृश्य तद्भृत्य गात्र स्पर्शंग संगम ग्राणं च तत्पाद सरोज सौरभे श्रीमत्तुलस्य रचनां तदर्पिते पादौ हरेर्मन्दिर हरेर्क्षेत्र पदानुसर्पणे शिरो ऋषिकेशे पदावे वन्दने कामं तु दास्ये न तु कामये यथा उत्तम श्लोक जनाश्रय रति.
Anybody else can sing this beautifully?
Hare Prabhuji, Hare Krishna.
Great, yeah.
Savai mana Krishna padaravindayor vachamsi vaikunta gunanu varnane karau harer mandira marjanadishu shritim chakara chita satkatodaye mukunda lingalaya darshane drusho tadbhritya gatra sparshenga sangamam घ्राणं च तत्पाद सरोज सौरभे श्रीमत्तुलस्यारसनां तदर्पिते पादौ हरे क्षेत्र पदानुसर्पणे शिरो हृषीकेश पदाभिवन्दने कामं च दास्येन तु कामकाम्यया यत्तोत्तम श्लोक जनाश्रया रतिः. हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी.
So beautiful. है ना? और हमको बताते हैं 5000 साल पहले जो ऐसे श्लोक बना रहे बंदर थे हाँ 5000 साल पहले अनसिविलाइज्ड लोग थे, मंकी थे, ये मंकियों का श्लोक है, तुम एक नहीं बना सकते. सो एवरी लाइन कृष्ण का अलग नेम यूज हुआ है. सवै मना कृष्ण पदारविंदयो वाचांसि वैकुंठ गुणानुवर्णने करोर हरेर मंदिर मार्जनाथिषु श्रुतिम चका अच्युत शतकतोदय मुकुंद लिंगा. जस्ट सी एवरी लाइन अनदर नेम ऑफ व्हाट अ पोएट्री इट इज, है ना? दिल से कंपोज किया है वेद व्यास ने. एंड दैट इज अम्बरीश महाराज कंडीशन, यू नो, ही इज एंगेज. Even though he is a king, he is engaged. So therefore, not only was engaged in the duties of the king, what his focus is the devotional service, he is engaged. So always, bhakti means engagement. And now when we engage our gross senses, see that is a condition, the soul when is connected to the Lord, that is Turiya. That is where it should be. Transcendental position, where we have to achieve. Souls, and then the soul's real nature comes out. Just like spark, when it touches fire, it starts glittering. So when it touches the Lord, our original consciousness comes out, which is bliss and happiness. Satchidananda comes out. Otherwise, when we are connected to the material world, our original consciousness is reduced. Therefore, Prabhupada says, consciousness means Krishna consciousness. Rest is in your consciousness not manifest. Choked. The three modes. Actually, your original thing is covered. Only three modes are acting. We think I am acting. Kartahamiti manyate. But we do not know. Three modes are only acting. What is the shloka? Kartahamiti manyate.
प्रकृति क्रियमाणानि गुणे कर्माणि
सर्वशः अहंकार विमूढ़ात्मा कर्ताहम् इति मन्यते.
Very good. ठीक है ना? So we see I am the doer, but I am not the doer. It's only three modes which are acting. है ना? So this is the actual situation. So what we do in the present situation, somehow we engage our senses in service to Krishna, somehow. And that is bhakti. That is bhakti. That is very pleasing to Krishna. We try. Whatever it is. In the beginning, the service is not of good quality. Whatever it is. There is not much devotion also in it. But Krishna accepts. Yesterday we heard that is the nature of Krishna. Smallest of service Krishna accepts. Advaita Acharya was offering water at the Tulsi, saying that if somebody offers just Tulsi and water to Shaligram, the Lord becomes sold out. He doesn't know what to give him. He says, let me give myself. If there is nothing I can, how do I repay him? Just you're offering to the deity two things. Offering every day, water with Tulsi, that's it. Krishna becomes purchased. And such a personality we are having. So why not we serve him? We are serving somebody, we are trying to impress somebody, but you do this much and the person takes this much. And Krishna is reverse. That's called great personality. You do this much, he takes that so much. You know what is it? Just putting little tulsi in water in दुनिया में किसी को इतना लोगों को पानी पिलाता हूँ तो भूल जाता 2 मिनट में, है ना? या आदमी नहीं रहेगा इसने पानी पिलाया था कभी. और Krishna doesn't forget forever. Not only this life, it doesn't forget for millions of life. Number one. Number two, we can do something. Salpomapi sadharma se tarayate mahato bhayat. Anybody knows this shloka?
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Beautiful. So, even the little devotion service will give me the greatest result. Krishna can save me. Now, we cannot. You say somebody you have affection. उसको बचा सकते हो क्या? इतनी खतरनाक बीमारियां दुनिया में. वो जमीन में मिट्टी में नहीं होती तरह तरह की बीमारियां. What they call it one? वो पैक करके लेटर में भेज देते हैं. अरे एकदम वेरी डेंजरस बैक्टीरिया है, कुछ नहीं हो सकता उसके बाद. उसने स्मेल कर लिया तो गया वो. What they call it? मिट्टी में भी तरह तरह की है. जैसे टिटनेस डालते हैं एक बीमारी होगी. ऐसा एक और है, बड़ा कॉन्सेंट्रेट करके उसको बायोलॉजिकल वॉरफेयर में यूज करते हैं. गलती से भी खोल दिया. हाँ? Anybody else knows what is it? Anyway, very very dangerous diseases and bacteria are there in this world. तो क्या तुम क्या सुरक्षा कर सकते हो किसी का किसी से? You cannot do. कुछ नहीं कर सकते तुम. You cannot protect. Krishna can protect. Krishna can protect. He has the power to protect. He can protect me, and he is the one actually protecting. He is the one who is maintaining. So somebody can understand that my office में जाता है भाई क्यों? महीने के एंड में दे थ्रो सम कॉइन्स. ठीक है ना, करते हैं ना. बट कृष्णा आपको खाना खिला रहे हैं, कृष्णा आपको हवा दे रहे हैं, कृष्णा आपको जमीन दे रहे हैं चलने का. एवरीथिंग कृष्णा इज गिविंग. आई डोंट वांट टू डू सर्विस टू हिम. ऑफिस अगर 9 बजे 8 बजे लोग पहुंच जाते हैं, 5 बजे तक हो 9 बजे तक काम करते हैं, बॉस को इम्प्रेस करते हैं. क्यों? थोड़े बिस्किट रख देता है महीने के एंड. एंड हियर इट इज कृष्णा हु इज गिविंग यू एवरीथिंग. He's giving you air to breathe, He's giving you water, He will give you sunlight. We have no gratitude towards Him. He's still maintaining us. So therefore, bhakti is actually natural. When somebody understands, aham sarvasya prabhu, and somebody understands actually even the boss what is giving me money, that is also Krishna is only sending. That is very deep realization. When somebody understands Krishna is the maintainer, not so-called boss in the office. Everything. Like Prabhupada gives an example, people are going to church. So when communism was spreading in Russia, they used to do so many, even Kerala, so many dramas they do on the streets to convince people to forget God. So they were standing outside the church. So what did you do? No, we went and prayed to the Lord, give us our daily bread. So they said, did you get bread? No, we didn't get bread. You pray to us. Oh, communist friend, give us our daily bread. So they had brought a truckload. Take how much you want. So people said, he is better, no? What is the use inside going? This is the knowledge of people. But Prabhupada says, using the word, favorite word, a rascal doesn't know that bread is not made in the factory, the wheat came in the ground. That is why the seeds given by Krishna, nourished by water, rain, nutrients given by Krishna. But the rascal doesn't have this information, doesn't have this understanding. He just transformed that grain to a bread, baking, and is saying, we are giving. So people, we need the Buddha Bhava, Aham Sarvasya Prabhu. When you actually understand that Krishna is the origin of my maintenance, Krishna is the one who is protecting me. Actually, He is the only one who can protect me. Sometimes protect through somebody, but sometimes maintain me through somebody, but actually Krishna is a maintainer, protector. When this realization will come, that every moment I am being maintained, protected by the Lord, then at that moment, Bhuda Bhava Samannitaha. Aham sarvasya prabho matta sarvam pravartate iti matva bhajante ma. We start bhajana of Krishna because Buddha Bhava. Now we are no longer Buddhu. We are Buddha. All Buddhi has manifested within us and we engage in devotional service. So engage in a devotional service is a reality, it's a fact, and that's the only way we can actually capture heart of Krishna. Bhakti amam abhijanati. What is the shloka?
भक्त्या माम् अभिजानाति यावान् यश्चास्मि तत्त्वतः ततो मा तत्त्वतो ज्ञात्वा विशते तदनन्तरम्.
Beautiful. Okay? So all the shlokas also try to remember, see the word meaning, spend your time. Okay? So aham sarvasya prabhu. Understand that actually Krishna is the origin. Then you want to engage in a devotion service using the senses to serve Krishna. And then our Prabhupada say, therefore, Krishna conscious movement is a boon for the human society. Boon. Whole society is on a bodily and mental platform, running in illusion, going more and more inside illusion. But here Krishna conscious movement enlightens the whole society. Not the body or the spirit soul, and the business of the soul engage in devotion service to Krishna, and then you will be happy. Just imagine, small thing, but it can save the whole world. Hare Krishna everybody. Thank you.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna. Dandavat
Dandavat
pranam.
pranam, Prabhu.
हरे कृष्ण
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी, दंडवत प्रणाम।
दंडवत प्रणाम प्रभु जी।
Thank you, Prabhuji.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी, दंडवत प्रणाम। हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी, सादर प्रणाम। हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी, दंडवत प्रणाम।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी, प्रणाम प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्णा
दंडवत
हरे
प्रणाम प्रभु जी। हरे
कृष्ण
कृष्णा
कृष्ण हरे हरे
Hare
हरे राम
हरे
Rama,
राम
Hare
राम
Rama,
राम
Ram
हरे
Hare
Hare
हरे।
Rama,
Hare
Krishna
Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
हरे
Hare
कृष्ण
Hare,
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Rama, Hare
राम
Hare
Rama,
Hare
हरे
Ram,
राम
Hare
Hare
Ram,
राम
Ram
Rama,
Ram, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama,
हरे
Hare
हरे
Rama,
Hare
Hare
Krishna, Krishna
हरे
Krishna,
Rama,
Hare
हरे
Hare
Hare, Hare
राम
Ram, Hare
हरे
Ram, Ram Ram,
Hare
Hare Hare.
Rama, Hare Rama,
Krishna,
Rama
Krishna
Rama,
Krishna,
Hare
Krishna
Rama,
Krishna, Hare
Hare
Hare.
Rama, Hare
राम
Hare
Krishna,
हरे
Hare
हरे
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Shri Rama Krishna Hare Hare Rama Rama Hare
हरे
Rama
Hare
कृष्णा
Hare.
कृष्णा
Rama
हरे
Hare
Hare
हरे
Krishna,
Hare
Krishna
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna
Hare
हरे
Hare.
Hare
राम
Hare
राम हरे
Krishna,
Shri
हरे
Hare Krishna,
Rama
Krishna
Hare
Krishna,
Hare
Hare Hare.
Rama Rama
हरे
Rama Rama Rama
हरे
Hare
हरे
Hare Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
कृष्णा
Dandavat pranam.
हरे
Hare
हरे
Krishna, Krishna
कृष्ण
Krishna, Hare